Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can become an Uber Eats driver. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing is, for that, you're simply going to go ahead first, go to your App Store or Play Store respectfully, and you have to make sure that you have downloaded the Uber driver and delivery app. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead, open up your app over here. Once you open that, make sure it is available in your region for you to start using it. You can see this is how it's gonna look like. We're gonna choose first, when you are setting up your account, you have to make sure that you choose your region. Then once you have gone through the applying, and once you go to the driver applying section, you will have to make sure that you have your proof of identity, your vehicle's picture and everything, because you will be needed that. You're going to go to the verification section where you will have to upload your photo, your proof of identity's picture. It can be your driver's license as well. You might have to upload it twice for the driving experiences purposes as well. Then you will have to upload a picture of your vehicle, and they will also be doing a background check on you to see if it's secure or not. And once they have done everything and all, you will receive an email confirmation from them, and your account will be verified and ready to be working. So that is how you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.